So in this quick video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up a new campaign in the new CrawlQ interface. On the sidebar here, you'll see new campaign. Simply press that. You don't have to go through a load of settings this time. All you have to do is give it your initial prompt with some information about what you're looking to achieve. So that could be to do with generating content for your business, your website, a blog perhaps, or researching something for clients. So in this case, I thought it'd be fun to use CrawlQ as the basis. And so here I'm saying I'm starting a new YouTube channel to promote CrawlQ, and I've given it the URL. I need to come up with a channel name that relates to learning about AI content creation. I need to understand the video topics I should cover that can feature an element of using CrawlQ to solve viewer problems. Just correct that. And then that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave it to it. Now this can take a while, so I'll pause the video in a second, and this will now go away and start a load of research, and then it'll come back with the answer, and from there we can delve a bit further. A couple of minutes have gone by and we have the results. So let's build a clear plan that positions the channel as a place to learn AI creation. And so we've got channel positioning. So remember, I've only started with this just very simple prompt and a little bit of information. It's gone away and it's used, in this case, GPT-5. So first it's come up with the channel positioning, given the promise, the audience and hooks. Then we've got the channel name. So this is what you could actually use to name the channel if you wanted to. Then we've got core content pillars. So quick win workflows. These are really good. Video series topics. Turn a webinar into 12 assets in 20 minutes. Interesting. And then we've got strategies, content deliverables. So this is a really good, I mean, look at all this information. So if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, this is giving you a plan of action of what you should be taking a look at doing. Now, is it all correct? And I'll need to go through this. You see there's a lot of information there. And then let's have a little think, what else could we ask it? Okay, let's say, let's have a look at the channel names, and then we can ask it for ideas around design. Quantum Content Academy, right? That's a very good one, isn't it? Let's use that. So now it's given me ideas for the logo. So again, I have to go through these, and I may use a different tool. I've got various tools to access AI imagery. I may use one of those in line with some of this it's suggesting. And then I don't know if you noticed this, just here, the first prompt, it said it can draft the channel about description and so on and so forth. So now I'm going to say, I'm just going to copy that, paste it and see what it does. So again, each of these is going to take you a few minutes. So it's best to think about what you're after, put it in, and then you can go back up and read through the information it's provided you. So get it working on the next piece of the puzzle while you go back over and fully digest what's been created so far. So again, a couple of minutes later, and we have the About section. Who's it for? And then we've got new videos created weekly. So starter kit, so we've got, have a little look here. So this is a starter kit that I would offer as lead magnets. So that's an interesting selection. And full script, let's have a look what it's done for the script. Book more calls with AI. So this is going down the book more calls route. So this is where I now need to feed more information in about the purpose of CrawlQ. But you can see we're getting some good suggestions here around the script. So cold opening, brand intro, what we're building. Okay. Now at this stage, we've given it 3 prompts. We've interacted with it 3 times, and you'll see this section here pop up where you can personalize it. So if we click personalize now, we say continue. So you can see down the bottom, it is currently personalizing this new workspace, this new campaign space for me. I've answered a load of questions. So what should I call you? What's the name of the business? What's the core product or service? What marketing challenge are you facing? What opportunity? Big dream? What's your website? What country? And so now it's personalizing it. Please be patient. So now it is currently personalizing it. Please be patient. Again, this can take a few minutes to complete, but you've got this status bar. It's actually ticking over pretty quick compared to the old system that used to take a really long time. So let's give it a moment and see what happens. So it's now completed the research phase, and we have attract, desire, and convert. So this is the top, middle, and bottom of the funnel. And this gives you a chance to take a look at what it's coming up with and to see if it has got it correct. And you can press edit here, and this is where you can make tweaks and refinements and add things in and delete them if it hasn't quite got things that work worded as you would expect for your audience. So if we go through, first you've got to define the niche, and then identify narrow subgroup, specify even tighter subgroup, and you keep going, and then eventually you go through the desire and you go through convert.